Good morning, children. Today you will have the chance to practice was, where, wasn't, and weren't. And for this reason, I would like you to open your activity books and go to page 63. We will start with the listening activity. That's exercise number 8. And now, at this point, you will have to go back to the stickers section and remove the stickers that I will show you now. Here are the 4 stickers. What we're going to listen to is a dialogue over the phone between 2 children, a boy who is in Puerto Rico and a girl who is in San Francisco. The 2 children are talking about the weather on the day of the conversation, that is today, and also they are talking about the weather the previous day, that is yesterday. So, based on what you hear, based on the weather conditions that you hear, based on what the weather is like, or what was the weather like, it was you will decide the kind of weather corresponds to its day and you will put the sticker on. At this point, you can pause the recording and remove the stickers and go back to your book, page 63, activity book, page 63, to try exercise 8. The listening will be starting in a few seconds. Ready? Let's get started.
Activity 8. Listen and stick.
What's the weather like today in Puerto Rico?
It's hot and sunny today. I love sunny days. What's the weather like in San Francisco?
Here, you know, it's cloudy and cool today, as usual. It's not hot and sunny here that often.
Yeah, true.
But it's always hot and sunny in Puerto Rico.
Well, not always. Yesterday, it was rainy and windy.
Yeah, well, it's often rainy here. Like yesterday, it was rainy and cool.
Come to Puerto Rico. It's never cold here.
No, that's okay. I love San Francisco.
Now, if you wish, you can pause and play the recording once again to make sure that your choices are okay. Now, let's take a look at the answers. So, the boy who is in Puerto Rico says that the weather today is hot and sunny. So, this is the picture that you need to stick here. The girl, on the other hand, says that the weather today is cloudy and cool. We can understand that from the clothes that she is wearing. The next sticker is about Puerto Rico yesterday. And while the weather is usually hot and sunny, yesterday it was rainy. It was rainy and windy. Okay, we can see the umbrella here. A strong wind is blowing, okay? And finally, it was also cloudy and cool in San Francisco yesterday. So these are the way the 4 stickers have to be placed. Let's now move to exercise number 9. Here we'll be talking about the weather on the different days of the week. So the days that we have here are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. A specific weather pattern, specific weather conditions correspond to its day. You see, You see what the weather was like on Monday, what the weather was on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now we are supposed to be somewhere at the weekend, okay? And we are talking about the weather in the past. That's why the question is, what was the weather like? Okay, remember, we are at the weekend and we are talking about the weather the days before. So I will now ask you to pause and try the exercise. After you have finished, you can play the recording again from the point where you stopped so that you can check the answers. Pause the recording now. I hope you're ready. So let's see the answers. On Monday, we can see the clouds, we can see the rain. So on Monday, it was rainy. Tuesday. Before we talk about the weather on Tuesday, I want you to look here. Take a look. The preposition that we use before days is the preposition on. So we say on Monday. That's why we will say on Tuesday. So I can see the sun was shining. So in number 2 here, we will write on Tuesday, it was sunny. Wednesday, I can see that the strong wind is blowing. Can you see the leaves? So on Wednesday, it was windy. Here, Thursday, clouds here. So on Thursday, it was cloudy. And finally, on Friday, you can see a lot of snowflakes falling out of the sky, and you can see a snowman here. So on Friday, it was snowy. Now I want you to turn over leaf. Go to page 64. Exercise 10. Here we have a family, and we are going to talk about the weather conditions today and the weather conditions yesterday. As you can see, the family was out on both days for some activities. Well, here we got some statements. Well, some of these statements are true and some of these statements are false. We have to decide which statements are true and which statements are false. I want you to work on the exercise now, and then I'm going to check the answers with you, and I'm going to ask you to answer some questions. Okay, let's now talk about number 1, sentence number 1. Yesterday, the weather was cool. Take a look at the picture. Is it true or false? How can we understand that? We can understand that from the clothes that they are wearing. Although it was sunny, they were wearing heavy clothes, you see? So we understand that the weather was cool. So this is true. Okay, now I want you to make sentences about what the weather wasn't yesterday. So try and think of as many sentences as you can. I will give you an example. If I compare and contrast the two pictures here, I could say that it wasn't cloudy yesterday. Can you make more sentences? Pause at this point and try as many sentences as possible. Some possible ideas here are, it wasn't snowy yesterday, or it wasn't rainy yesterday. Okay, let's now move on to number 2. Number 2, it wasn't windy yesterday. True or false? If we take a look here, we will see that they are flying a kite. What are they doing? They're flying a kite. So we can also see leaves around. We understand that it was windy yesterday. So this is false, of course. It was windy yesterday. Number 3, it's cloudy today. It's cloudy today. We go to this picture. We look at the picture and we can see clouds here. So this is true. So now I want you to pause the recording and make sentences about what it isn't today. I will give you an example. For example, it isn't snowy today. Try to make more negative sentences. Pause at this point. Let's go to number 4 now. It's cold today. If we take a look at this picture, we will see that they are wearing what? What clothes are they wearing? They are wearing light clothes, t-shirts, shorts. So it's false. So correct this sentence. We can correct it by using a negative sentence. So what is the negative sentence here? It isn't cold today. Try to make more negative sentences about today. I will give you an example. It isn't rainy today. Make more. Pause it here and make more. Number 5. It was sunny yesterday. If we take a look at the picture, we will see that the sun was shining yesterday. Okay, so the answer is true. And now I want to make more sentences with it wasn't. Pause it here and make some more sentences. And now, number 6. It's cool and sunny today. If we take a look here, we will see that there is no sun and the people here are wearing, as we said before, t-shirts and shorts. So it's false. So now I want you to give me the negative sentence here. Yes, the negative sentence is it isn't cool and sunny today. As we said before, it's cloudy today, and we can say that it's cloudy and warm because we can see the light clothes that they are wearing. Now, for exercise 11 here, you have to look again at the two pictures and this time describe the weather yesterday and today. So, I want you to pause it here and answer these two questions. Number 1, what was the weather like yesterday? And number 2, what's the weather like today? Pause it, write, and then play the recording again to see the answers. I hope you're ready now, so let's take a look at the answers. What was the weather like yesterday? It was windy, sunny, and cool. What is the weather like today? It's warm and cloudy. Now, let's go to exercise number 12. In this exercise, you have to write about the weather yesterday here in Athens. So I will pause it here. Are you done now? I suppose that we all agree that it was warm and sunny yesterday. Okay, so this is probably the answer that you have written. It was warm and sunny yesterday. Don't forget to use was when you talk about the past. Finally, exercise 13. You have to read and make sentences here. Take a look here. You have a cross and you have a tick. Cross and cross. This means that you need to form a negative for its cross and an affirmative one for its tick. Be careful because you have yesterday, now, last weekend, not this weekend, last weekend, and today. So based on this information, you have to choose between is, isn't, was, wasn't. Pause here. And now the answers. That's all for now. Bye.